In this video, I'm going to continue working on this assignment, Project 8.1, the button maker. I'm going to work on this part, the upper die pressure ring, part number 37, and it's on page 7. I'm going to create this part and create this drawing. I'm going to create a new part and a new sketch on the XY plane. Use my circle tool, starting at the origin. Enter a diameter of 2.063. Another circle at the origin and enter a diameter of 3.063. Finish your sketch. I'm going to extrude. I'm going to go in the reverse direction, a distance of 0.313. I'm going to select both profiles. I'm going to go to my extrusion and find the sketch you just created, right mouse button, and turn the visibility on. And create another extrusion. I'm going to select just this inner profile. I'm going to remove material, do a cut to a depth of 0.031. I'm going to turn off the visibility of the sketch. I'm going to create a new sketch on this surface, the outer surface. Do not do it on the inner surface out here. I'm going to turn on construction, project geometry. I'm going to go to my origins folder. I'm going to project my Y, Z, and my X, Z planes. You create a point, set it approximately here on the axis. I'm going to create a dimension from here to here. Make that 2.625 divided by 2. That's the diameter divided by 2 to get the radius. I'm going to create a circular pattern. I'm going to select my point I just created, and my axis is going to be at 0, 0. I want 3 points. Select OK. Finish my sketch. I'm going to use my hole tool, and I'm going to do a simple hole with a distance, and the diameter is 0.125. And the depth is 0.15. I'm going to go to my front view and rotate around to the back. Create a new sketch on that surface. Turn on construction. I'm going to project geometry and project the YZ and the XZ. I'm going to turn off construction. I'm going to select point. Put a point at the origin and one on this axis here, and then one on this axis here. I'm going to dimension these points from this axis to that point is 0.5, and from this axis to that point is 0.688. Finish your sketch. Choose this point at the origin and then your hole tool. The diameter is going to be 0.25, and it's going to go through all. I'll go to this hole you just created and turn the visibility of this sketch on. I'm going to select this point and then use my hole tool. This is a counter sunk hole, and the diameter is also 0.25, but the width here at the top of the countersink is 0.344. The degree is 82 degrees. I'm going to select this point and choose my hole tool. And this is just a normal, simple hole. And it's going to have a distance. The diameter is 0.19. And the depth is 0.22. I choose my fillet tool and set the radius to 0.03 and specify these two edges. You go to Eye Properties, go to Summary, and change the title. Change the title to 37 upper die pressure ring and change the author to your name. Go to Project and make the part number 37. And the description, make the description upper die pressure ring. Go to Physical and change the material to steel. Select OK. Go to Finish and set the plating to steel polished. Go to the last hole you created and turn the visibility of the sketch off. Save your file. Create a new drawing. Select your base view. Set the scale to 2:1. Place your ISO view. Select OK. Select your ISO view and turn shading on. Choose Annotate and choose your center mark tool and select this outer circle. Select this circle. Right mouse button cancel. Select this line and extend it a bit, and this one, select it and move it down a bit. Go to Place Views, select Section, select this view, and then select the top of this line and draw a horizontal line down. Move your cursor slightly to the right, right mouse button, continue, and place your section view approximately there. If you did not catch the exact top of the line, you could actually grab this line and move it over until it snaps to that center line. You go back to Annotate, select this tool, the centered pattern, and I'm going to select this as the center. I'm going to select this hole as my first location, that hole, this one, and go back and select this last one. Right mouse button, create. Let's select my centerline bisector. Select this center point and this one. Then select dimension. Let's select this center mark and this one. Right mouse button, cancel. Select this dimension and move your cursor to the beginning of the line and type in 3 capital X space. Select dimension again. Right mouse button, cancel. Select the note. Type enter. And type in both sides. Select your hole and thread tool. Right mouse button, cancel. Select this hole note. Position your cursor at the very front of the line and type in 3 capital X space. Select this note. Type in enter. And enter far side. Select this note. Type enter. And enter far side. Select eye properties. Go to summary. Type in 37 upper die pressure ring. Change the author to your name. Go to project. Make sure the revision says A. Set the part number to 37. And set the description to upper die pressure ring. Your title block should look like this. Save your drawing. Go to File, Export to PDF. Save your PDF file in your Documents folder, and submit your PDF drawing to Project Lead the Way to complete your assignment.